Welcome back. It's Reggie with Fit for Freelance, where I help you lose weight and feel your best without crash diets or guilt. I got a new tool for you to use, the Live Aligned Scorecard. If you've been struggling with maintaining consistent health habits, or you are on for a while, then you're off, crash diets, having a hard time following up, and it's frustrating and tiring. You don't know what's going on, how you can fix it. This scorecard is really going to help you. So I'm pretty excited to present it to you. Let me bring up the share screen. Discover what's really holding back your health and weight loss goals. It's a short quiz. It takes about 2 minutes, and it makes it really clear what you need to do to take the first steps in improving your health and your life based on how you feel, move, and think. So this is literally what's on the page. It's linked below, fitforfreelance.com/scorecard. What we're going to do is discover how closely your habits and mindset match your goals, get personalized assessment scores and how you feel, move, and think, and understand your readiness to make lasting changes instead of just using temporary fixes. And this has all the information on how it works. I'm just going to walk you through it real quick so you see how fast it is. So the questions pop up. I'll ask you about your behaviors, how you're eating, and all that. And then let me see how fast I can go through it. Now, these questions might change by the time you find it, but this is what we're starting with here. And when you're 100% complete, you enter your details. And then it gives you a scorecard here. Now, this is really cool because it'll customize your results based on the answers that you put into it. So based on what I said, the vision, focus, and practice. I have a general idea of what I want, but it might not be clearly defined or tied to your values. You're doing things to stay healthy, but maybe without a clear plan or sense of direction, and then all that stuff. So then it also gives you this scorecard. Now the scores are weighted, but it tells you it's like a yellow or a red, orange, and green scoring system. It's pretty cool. And then these answers will change based on the answers that you submitted. So it'll tell you the next steps to take with a little tip in each section. Makes it really clear for you to get going. So if you are confused about what to do with your health, you've been wondering how you can improve things or what first steps to take, it's a lot of stuff to figure out. This will give you the clear first steps. And then you can book a call if you'd like here. You can watch a video on YouTube, 4 factors that tell you when you're actually ready to lose weight. And then the email that it sends you comes with the Live Aligned starter guide, which makes it quite easy to break down the vision you have, help you understand what the healthy, fulfilling life of your dreams looks like. Then you have focus, so you understand what steps to take, and then to practice one specific item. So it really makes it step by step clear for you to get started on your health journey and letting your health support your life. So I wanted to share that with you. Take the scorecard, it's free and it is easy to use. Links below. As always, keep practicing. Peace.